Good morning to all. As you already know that this is the last lab session for reverse engineering. So the students who are pending with their Viva, kindly give the Viva. Otherwise, no chances will be given to you and you will be marked as absent. So just tell your teammate or batchmate to join quickly and give your Viva. Regarding report submission, make sure if anyone remaining, then upload it by today. Otherwise, your marks will be submitted after this end of the day to the higher authorities. So make sure submit everything on time. And this is the last deadline. Afterwards, no deadlines are there. And you know the what is the procedure you need to go ahead after if I'm marking absent. Okay, so the groups who are ready with your teammates, kindly write your name dash enrollment number in one message. Okay, and in that sequence, we will take the Viva. Okay, so at last, don't write your enrollment number. Initially, you need to write it down, and in that sequence, we will go ahead with your Viva. Shyam, you are performing individually.
No, ma'am.
Then, who are your teammate?
These are Jay and Ria.
Okay, so okay, one in one message you can write fine. 92 series 4001 Shyam from TD1.
Yeah, ma'am. From TD1.
91 series 14 Jai and 92 series number 2 Ria. Okay, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, your screen is visible. I'm starting with you, Shyam. So, what is
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
role in this reverse engineering? What you
Sorry,
prepare?
ma'am.
What is your role in entire task?
Ma'am, I'm going to explain reverse engineering tools,
Okay, fine.
and
And list
Ria
out the
and I
names.
will explain the cases.
Oh, okay, fine. List out the names of tools that you explored.
Ma'am, first one is Fiddler, and second one is IDA.
Okay.
This
So,
interactive
what is the
assembly.
purpose? What is the purpose of using both the tools? Hello,
Ma'am,
Shyam, can you hear me?
yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
IDA Pro is used for debugging and web applications, which translate machine language code into assembly language. That's why. And Fiddler, ma'am, Fiddler is a proxy level tool, server tool. Log
What
inspect
is the
and
benefit?
what?
What is the benefits of using Fiddler?
It suppose any client server platform and composition of any type of HTTP request.
But that you can also give through other tools like if you want to send the request, go ahead with the APIs or use the Postman application. So, what is the difference in those and in this tool? Why I will go for this tool?
Fiddler is debugging tool while Postman is the best. As you say, we can use uh, other tool.
Can you show me the demo of Fiddler?
No, ma'am, I haven't prepared yet, but I have some
Right.
information regarding Fiddler.
You need to explore step by step execution. You need to show me, but you didn't. So only introduction part, you know. That's it.
Yeah,
Okay. What is the limitation of IDA Pro?
I don't know the limitations.
What is reverse engineering?
Ma'am?
What is reverse engineering?
Ma'am, in reverse engineering is a process where we can modify the current situation or a machine, and by building them better by make changes.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
And as an input, what you need to give to your IDEA Pro tool?
Sorry, ma'am.
As an input, generally when you are using tools, you need to give some input files, right? Or any parameters you need to give based on the tools. तो ये जब आप IDEA Pro use करोगे, then what input you need to give to that tool?
I'm not getting your question properly.
My question is, हर एक एज अ कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर हमें
Yeah,
प्रोग्राम में इनपुट देना होता है, उस बेस पे उसका आउटपुट आता है, राइट? तो जब टूल
yeah.
यूज करते हो तो एज अ इनपुट क्या दोगे आप?
नहीं पता
Coming
मैम.
with only introduction part is not sufficient. You only know the what is the meaning of both the tool. Apart from that, anything you don't know. You need to explore. As a task, you need to explore. आपने तो 10% ही वर्क किया है. You need 10% mark तो फेल हो जाओगे. ओके, आपके टीममेट्स ने कौन सी केस स्टडी बनाई है? जस्ट गो अहेड विद नेम्स ओनली.
Ma'am, can I present my screen?
You can. Your screen is already with me.
Yeah. These are the cases, ma'am. Punishing signal, smart street light, tubeless tire, and Wi-Fi communication.
Okay, last question. List out the steps of reverse engineering process.
List out steps of.
Reverse engineering process. We, as a subject, we are applying reverse engineering, right? So what is the procedure and steps for it?
Ma'am, we have to modify and hmm, wait. Ma'am, we have to analyze the current situation and existing tool, and we have to modify it accordingly. We need.
Apart from Fiddler and IDA Pro, what are the other reverse engineering tools?
Ma'am, one is string, I know that.
Okay. Apart from that, any other you know?
No, ma'am.
Jai,
Yes, ma'am.
which case studies are prepared by you?
Ma'am, the one with tubeless tire and another one being the ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, tubeless tire and Wi-Fi communication.
Go to that slides.
Shyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to that slides.
Last
Ma'am.
2 case studies. Tubeless tire and Wi-Fi communication.
Yeah.
Okay, so just give me difference in existing and this version.
Ma'am, existing tubeless tire and this version.
Yes.
Existing tubeless tire has a disadvantage of high cost, and the punctures in this existing version are very hard to repair. Like you need a repair kit, full different repair kit for repairing this one.
Okay.
And the newer one will sort of eliminate that disadvantage. Although the advantage already remains that its maintenance is low and punctures happen very rarely, but when they happen, they are very drastic.
Okay. So to
So
resolve that existing one, what material they used, what modification they did.
something rigid, which also doesn't affect the comfort of ride, like polymer of rubber with something else, something harder, like say silicon, a bit of
Okay.
silicon.
Okay.
Because the one which
And
is used in the airplanes, that is bit costly, but we can find a cheaper alternative.
okay, fine. And what is the difference in coasting part?
What, ma'am? Sorry.
Coasting, like whatever the previous versions and now latest version, how the cost of entire different version evolve.
Ma'am, we need to work on that from the very basic level, like from the production level to the marketing, and then like we need to fill the loopholes. Like somewhere we will be lacking or we will be wasting some of the cost. So we might encounter the less costly tubeless tire, hopefully in near future.
Okay, so this particular tire is applicable to all kind of roads and all kind of seasons. And if I want to go ahead with the mountain regions, then it is supportable or like some issues are there.
No, ma'am, it is supportable. And ma'am, that it also depends on the vehicle you are using.
Okay,
Like it
fine.
can be modified as per the vehicle you are using it with.
Okay, fine. Next case study.
Li-Fi.
Okay, what is it?
Li-Fi is a better alternative of the Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, which we are using right now.
Hmm.
Our government, as far as I remember, announced Li-Fi before a few years, but it hasn't been implemented very practically yet. But it has many advantages over the Wi-Fi.
Okay,
First and the most important of them being the radioactive waves elimination. We are no longer using radioactive waves, which are dangerous for all the living beings, especially the birds and all.
okay,
And Li-Fi, it also has a disadvantage like range and connectivity. Like radioactive waves are faster and more reachable than light waves.
okay. And what is the working principle of it? How it
Li-Fi,
converts the energy? Yeah, how it
ma'am,
converts the energies.
the Li-Fi uses Otta cells instead of radioactive waves. Otta cells travel through the light waves in the LED bulbs and whatever the light source is needed, and that provides the data which we get from the Wi-Fi right now.
Okay. What are the disadvantages of using Wi-Fi?
Ma'am, first of all, as I said, the connectivity and range issues. They
Mm.
cannot travel as far and as reliable as radioactive waves. And second being the cost. Wi-Fi will be a bit costly in the primary stages than Wi-Fi. And its
And what about
availability in the first few years.
okay, and what about security?
Security will be less in Li-Fi because it will be more accessible. Radioactive
Okay.
waves are not that easily accessible as light waves.
Okay, so basically it's not implemented. That means research is going on in this field, right? So right now,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
kind of uh, research is going on in this field?
I didn't actually exactly get your question.
My question is, In every area, whenever the limitations are there, we need to
Yes,
improve it, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
And for that, we need to do research.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this area, what kind of research is going on?
So, ma'am, first of all, I will talk with the security purpose. Like data cells are not that secure, as I said. They are not they're easily accessible, or traceable, or interferable. So we might find another alternative that gives the same functionality, but are not as secure as them, not less secure as them. Sorry. The second of all, the range.
Okay.
We can also work on the range, which is one of the main aspects.
Okay. So according to you, you tell me this particular technology will be implemented or not. It will be
In my
given
humble
successful or
opinion,
not.
in my humble opinion, it should be implemented, and our worldwide experts are working on it. Hopefully, we should be getting these services soon. But I definitely think it's a better alternative over the Wi-Fi because it also offers great speed. Like we get speeds in Mbps right now. It will give speeds in Gbps. That's definitely a better upgrade.
Okay, but regarding security again, issues are
Uh,
there. So if that is resolved, then it's very good option.
exactly. And that's what I said. Ectocells alternative is required for that, and hopefully someone will discover that.
Okay, okay, fine, Jay. Ria.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ria, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Punishing
voice
signal.
is yes, your voice is somewhat low.
Sham. Punishing signal.
Yes, change the slide.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what is it?
Yes. The punishing signal was basically invented and implemented by Mumbai Traffic Police. So this campaign called the punishing signal uses decibel meters connected to traffic signals across the city. The advantage of this is this campaign helped making awareness in public and lesser noise pollution. Uh, the punishing signal was specifically designed to address the noise pollution. So they connected decibel meter to different signal poles around the city. So when the decibel exceeded 85 dB, the signal timer would reset itself, forcing the people to wait longer at the signal. So this is meant to punish them for their impatience with the message. If they honk more, they will have to wait more.
Okay, and how reverse engineering apply in this idea? Yes, Ria. Am I audible to other students? Ria? Okay, other student acknowledge me.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible. You tell me, my question is how reverse engineering is applied.
Hmm, no idea.
What is reverse engineering?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is too low. I cannot hear you properly.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Still low.
1 minute, ma'am. Yes, hello, ma'am.
Yes, now it is coming somewhat better than previous. So tell me, what is reverse engineering?
It is a process by which man-made object is deconstructed to reveal its designs and extract.
Okay. And what is the disadvantage of using your idea, that is punishing signal?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Maybe you have a network issues because other student, can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am, we can audible. You are audible.
Your voice is little bit lagging, ma'am.
Your check your network because other students can hear me properly.
Can you repeat the question,
Okay.
ma'am?
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Tell me what is the disadvantage of using punishing signal?
It is a little bit expensive than the normal signals as we have to put decimal meters at every signal poles.
Okay. And which is your next case study?
Smart street lighting.
What is it?
Smart. Ma'am. It is a public lighting fixture that incorporates technology such as cameras, light sensing, photo cells, and other sensors to introduce real-time monitoring functionalities. Lights get turned on automatically according to the surrounding light intensity. For example, after sunset until sunrise, it works on higher intensity. Control of light intensity is based on movements of people or vehicles. So when the system smart light informs you in case of breakdown as it is connected to the server or cloud. Thereby, the safety of people is enhanced as well as it also saves electricity and reduces its cost by turning off automatically when not in need.
Okay. Which sensors are used here?
Um, solar smart solar lighting, mm, light sensing photo cells.
Okay. Okay, fine. That's it for your Viva Ria. Next group, Utsav. Are you alone or any other students are there? Yes, Sham, you can stop sharing your screen. Fine. Utsav,
Yes, ma'am.
individually or group?
No, ma'am, my Wi-Fi completed.
Okay, just a second. I'm checking in my sheet. From TD1, Kushal, Deepak, Rutvik, Ghazi Abbas, Kushant, and Deep. These are the pending students for the Viva. And from TC2, Dhruvik, Salia, then Jubair, Riddhi, Darshan Molia, Sandeep, Hardik Makwana, Keval, Rudri, Sagar, Fenil, and Umang. So when you will give your Viva, kindly write your enrollment number quickly. We need to complete it by today in this lab session. Otherwise, I will pick up randomly. Yes, Deepak, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are in group or individually doing the entire task?
Group.
Okay. Write your group details in chat box.
Okay.
If you are writing after 10 minutes, I will not take your Viva. So kindly write all the students your name with your teammates. Otherwise, I will not take your Viva. After Deepak group, we go ahead with the TC2 class. That is Darshan. Are you there? Darshan Molia is again not there, so he will be marked as absent. Sandeep, absent for the Viva. Umang, Umang,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, after this group, your group need to be ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Vivek, you need to stay in meet. Whenever the entire Viva will be completed, you can leave. Okay, I will tell you that when you need to leave. Okay, so just a second. Present your screen, any one of you, Kushal, Kushant, and Deepak.
Okay, ma'am. Wait. I'll present.
Okay. Afterward, Umang, kindly write your name, enrollment number with your teammate.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Deepak, your screen is visible. I'm starting with your Viva. So, what is your role in this entire task? What you prepared for the subject?
I am
And
Case One Study and IDA Pro tool. No,
okay,
reverse engineering IT tool one.
one tool and one case study.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tool is IDA Pro.
No.
Then
Else IL Spy.
L-Spy. Okay, so why we use the L-Spy?
Spy is open source .NET app, assemble, browse, and decompiler language.
Okay, what is the limitation of using this L-Spy?
Limitation limitation is breaking decompile source. Decompile code.
लिमिटेशन मतलब क्या है? लिमिटेशन मतलब ये होता है कि ये टूल्स के हिसाब से हम क्या नहीं कर सकते.
Hmm.
Do you have any idea?
No, ma'am. No idea.
Okay. Can you edit the code through this LSPy?
What, ma'am?
Can you edit the code? आप code edit कर सकते हो using LSPy?
No.
Okay. And only .NET is supportable or any other platform is supportable here?
She has .NET or she has.
बेटा .NET के अंदर ही 3 टाइप होते हैं. VB.NET होता है. She has कभी मत बोलना. It's called C#. ओके, याद रखना ये. कभी भी आगे आपका ये सब्जेक्ट आएगा, C# नहीं बोलना है. C#.NET होता है and ASP.NET होता है. .NET के अंदर ही ये 3 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस है. ओके, सो
Okay.
इट्स नॉट डिफरेंट, सेम ही है. फाइन, ये अलग प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं हो जाता, उसके अंदर आता है. Okay, and which case study is prepared by you?
Aeronautical.
Go to that slides.
नहीं, इसमें मैम टूल से लिखे हैं हमने.
Okay,
इसमें केस
so
स्टडी
case
नहीं
study
की.
के लिए पीपीटी नहीं है.
नहीं, केस स्टडी की पीपीटी नहीं बनाई, ये टूल्स की बनाई है हमने.
मेन तो उसकी बनानी थी. टूल्स का तो बोला था कि आप डेमो देना है. टूल्स का तो डायरेक्टली डेमो ही देना था, पीपीटी नहीं बनानी थी.
ओके मैम, हम लास्ट लेक्चर में कोई भी नहीं था.
क्या?
और पूछा था इससे, अरे ऐसा पता नहीं था हमें.
But at last date, you can contact me also if you have any kind of confusion.
ओके
Why you
मैम.
didn't contact me?
हमें, अरे मैम ऐसा था कि रिपोर्ट में ही बनाना था, इसलिए हमने रिपोर्ट में से ही कोई भी चूज किया ऐसा.
ऐसा नहीं था बेटा, पीपीटी बनानी थी और पीपीटी में सिर्फ समरी डालनी थी आपकी 4 केस स्टडी की. ओके, पीपीटी कब मेल करोगे मुझे? उसके बेस पे मार्क्स मिलेंगे. टेल मी, केस स्टडी की पीपीटी
ओके, कल कल कर दूंगा.
बिफोर 11 o'clock मेल मी. ओके,
ओके ओके.
एंड नाउ यू कैन प्रेजेंट योर रिपोर्ट एंड उसमें से मुझे आपकी जो केस स्टडी है वो समझाओ.
ओके.
Any group remaining? As I can see, Rudri group and Riddhi group. Apart from that, any other? Okay, how reverse engineering apply in aeronautical engineering?
मैम एरोनॉटिकल रिकंस्ट्रक्ट एयरक्राफ्ट पार्ट, उसमें यूज होता है रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग.
ओके, एयरक्राफ्ट पार्ट्स. कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं उसमें? कौन से पार्ट पे रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग अप्लाई हुआ है?
ओ एनजी कोडिंग एंड सेंसर नेटवर्किंग, सेंसर और नेटवर्किंग उसमें.
Are you sure?
यस.
Sushant? Are you there, Kushant? Enrollment number 9. Unmute yourself, बेटा. वाइवा देना है ना, तो अनम्यूट तो करो पहले.
शायद मैम मुझे नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम होगा, वो कुशल भी नहीं है कुछ.
Rejoin.
ओके.
Okay, then rejoin.
I am here, ma'am.
Kushal is there.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Somewhat low, but I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. My voice is low because of my mic problem. I can't do anything about that.
Okay, fine. I will handle that one. No issues. Which case studies is prepared by you?
Ma'am, first one, computer engineering.
How reverse engineering apply in this?
Ma'am, in a computer engineering, we make the software. So before making a software, we like take a one project which is in market right now. But after a reverse engineering, we break through the project of half of the code. But now we need to know what kind of change in that application slash web slash desktop app. So for that, we need to implement software engineering. In software engineering, we got through the blocks of code and make the a proper chart in how we can uh, reach to our goal, like uh, like uh, like consider the one game is in market, PUBG. That we need to make another game like that. So for
Okay.
that, we need to first put in reverse engineering on that game, how it is work and what is the code behind the game. Then we need to put our computer engineering, what we can change. For that, we need to put uh, what kind of database we are using, what kind of ID we using, like Unity or like Unreal Engine, what new parameters we can add in it. So for that, we need to put computer engineering imply in the reverse engineering.
Okay. Can you give me some popular example where in our field reverse engineering is applied? Like you said about area. I want proper example.
One proper example. Wait a minute. Let me think.
Yes.
What should,
Can you repeat?
wait a minute. Let me think.
Okay.
We, for example, we can make reverse engineering on ID for like currently new IDs coming in the market, and new
Okay.
languages also coming for that supportable ID.
Fine. Which is your next case study?
And then I had done only one case study.
Any tool you prepared or not?
One is Deepak. Please present the PPT. Ma'am, I study on the Reflexil tool.
What is it?
It's done for the code breaking from the .NET files. If you have a runnable .NET file, it make into the what file is in it called like exe file to runnable file to chunk of code what is inside it. Use for that. It's using just decompiler. Deepak, next slide.
Limitation of reflection.
Yeah, it only is compatible with ASP, sorry, .NET technology. For other, it cannot be do it properly. So yeah, it's a limitation of the reflection.
Okay, fine. Kushal,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Kushal. Okay, what are the case studies prepared by you?
Ma'am, I have prepared mechanical engineering.
How reverse engineering apply?
Ma'am, in mechanical engineering, reverse engineering is, ma'am, used to summarize the process of whole object and reconstruct the existing object into a new one.
Okay. And on which part you apply this? Two-wheeler brake road, how the entire road is changed by applying reverse engineering?
Ma'am, there are four stages of changing the mode.
Which one? Which one
Ma'am,
that?
first the data is captured by the computer, and then it it has been processed, and then it is in segmentation in surface fitting, we just change the some of it and reconstruct in a new one and create a CAD model, means in
Okay.
AutoCAD or something.
Why we use the CAD model? In mostly in mechanical, we are using that one. So, what is the purpose of it?
Ma'am, in some industries, they use VMC machines and type of that. In that, for doing any work on an object, we have to fit a program for that. In that, we have to first make a 3D object or a 2D object in AutoCAD so that the computer can recognize how the object can be in future.
Okay, fine. And next case study.
Ma'am, I have done only one, ma'am, mechanical engineering.
So, how you divide your work? Equally, you need to divide it. Only one case study.
Yes, ma'am, you are right, ma'am. And these days, ma'am, I was not here, so I was not knowing more. So I prepared in bit of a hurry, ma'am.
Okay, PPT, you need to make it, fine.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I know. I
And you need to mail me. Okay, you can
tomorrow.
take the yes, you can take the help from your teammates, but you need to prepare it, fine.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
Okay, fine. Rudri,
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम एनरोलमेंट लिख दे एनरोलमेंट नंबर
Okay.
I already have sheets. So 14 Kushal, 9 Kushant, and 80 Deepak. Fine.
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next Rudri, Umang and Keval. Share your screen. Deepak, you can stop sharing your screen. Okay, just pass this information to the your batch students that if they will not give their Viva today in this lab, afterwards I will not take their Viva and he or she will be marked as absent. Okay, so pass this information to the batchmates. Yes, Rudri, present your screen.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. So what is your role?
My role is about cybersecurity to explain a cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is a practice of protecting system networks and programming from a digital attacks. It's used the cybersecurity usually admit accessing changes and destroying sensitive information, exerting money from a user, or interrupting normal business processes. That's a cybersecurity.
How reverse engineering apply in cybersecurity?
Um, It's reverse engineering is tested under understand of viral and malware code to the software security, widely used to insecure the system leaks and any measures security falls on a verbalizity.
Okay, good. Next slide. Go to the next slide. I'm just showing your slides. So switch your slide, second slide. Okay, benefits. Then after,
Background
okay, next.
categories and cyber threats.
What is
Types.
cyber threats?
Cyber threat is a customer threat that's used to know that which system is going to be hacked from another system in a cyber crime, like a cyber crime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism. In a cyber while another PC is hacking your system that will know you as they are hacking your system.
Okay. Do you have
That's
any idea about passive attacks and active attacks?
no.
Okay, fine. Next case study is based on.
Based on Apple Watch, that's going to be played by Umang.
Okay, that is fine. I'm just asking you that which other case study or tool that you prepared.
Apple Watch is going to buy Umang.
And then,
Operating system is going to buy Cable. That's three.
okay. So you prepare only one case study.
Yes.
So how you equally divide the work?
One PPT by their own. We helped each other,
Okay.
and we did the whole PPT by one.
Who prepared the report?
Three of us.
Okay. Who prepared the tools?
Three of us. Everyone.
Okay. So list out the tools. Names of the tool that all three explored.
Ma'am, let's Umang explain, then we'll explain the tools.
But I'm taking your Viva right now, so you need to answer. नाम तो पता होना चाहिए ना?
Linux tools.
What is the purpose of using that tool?
Of course. Ma'am, deeply I don't know the tools and deeply anything. I know that that's just a Linux tools.
Umang,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have any idea about tools?
No, ma'am.
So any four of you didn't prepare it? You all three saying that we prepared, but even none of you know about tools. Keval, you know about tools?
मैम हमने सिर्फ
Keval,
टूल्स को देखा था, हम लोगों ने इतना ज्यादा टूल्स में प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है.
but you need to explore it, right? Even if you just go ahead with the introduction, that is also fine. But you also don't know about it. Among what you prepared?
Ma'am, I prepared iWatch.
Only one case study?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके हर एक का एक एक केस स्टडी है. दैट मीन्स आपने सिर्फ 15% वर्क किया है. टूल्स तो किए नहीं, 40% वो उसमें से चला गया. तो आपको 20 to 15% वर्क किया है, तो उस बेस पे मार्क्स मिलते हैं. इतने कम चाहिए?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
You need to be serious on this part. ये सब्जेक्ट में आपको क्या करना था? सिर्फ एक रिपोर्ट बनाना था और पीपीटी में प्रेजेंट करना था. स्टिल you didn't work it well. Yes, Umang, tell me about the latest version and latest feature in the Apple Watch.
Ma'am, there is iOS 14.1.7 latest version in watch. In
What feature
that
it includes?
yes, it includes the unlock system from direct from iPhone. means if we have kept a lock on iWatch, then we can unlock by its iPhone only. When we unlock iPhone, then automatically iWatch can get unlocked.
Why people purchase this one? What is the reason?
Reason is
Why I'm not
um,
going for the other brand, only going ahead with this brand?
main purpose is when they have iPhone, then they means first they prefer iWatch because everything is connected with Apple. Means everything with it is connected with mobile, and it is very easy to connect. If any person gets iWatch of cellular, then they can use that person may use the eSIM also. So that person can use two SIM, one on mobile and second eSIM on iWatch. That is main
And
feature. That
disadvantage?
disadvantage is iWatch cannot connect in any Android phone or any other.
Apart from that, any other disadvantage?
No, ma'am.
Keval,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your role?
Operating system.
Only one?
Yes, ma'am.
So total 3 case study you prepared. So 50% work you did.
No, ma'am. Fourth case study present in Rudri.
Okay. Yes. Keval, tell me about it. How evolution is done, how reverse engineering applying operating system.
Engineering applying operating system of many purpose learning tool. As a way make a new capability product. Then our chapter then works currently on the market for marking software improvement more effectively or the bridge data between different operating system or database and uncover and undocumented.
Okay. And if you want to improve the operating system, right now, whatever the versions are there, in future, after 5 years, if you want to improve this product, then what changes you will do? Okay, fine. Riddhi and Sagar, kindly write your enrollment number in chat. Yes, Riddhi, are you there? Okay, 3108. Sagar, 32 series 48. Yes, Riddhi, present your screen. Okay, so from TC2 class, Dhruvik, Zubair, Darshan Molia, Sandeep, Hardik Makwana, and Fenil. These students will be marked as absent for their Viva and term work. From TD1, Rutvik, Ghazi Abbas, and Deep, these will be marked as absent because their Viva is not there. Okay. So apart from that, any group is remaining. Okay. So the students whose Vivas are already done, kindly write your enrollment number dash class name and then after you can leave. And all the best for your future. Have a nice day. Okay. Riddhi and Sagar is there. Apart from that, if any students Viva are still pending, they need to stay and meet. and pass this information to TC2 class that all the batch, if they Viva is still pending, they need to be present at 11:55. Okay, I already put one mail, but still you can pass this information. Okay, yes, Riddhi, what is your role?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, I have prepared two case studies, and one of my teammate has already given her Viva.
Forum,
So,
yeah,
yes, ma'am.
yeah.
And Sagar has prepared a case study and a tool.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
So,
So go to your first case study.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Okay. So, reverse engineering in mobile phone. The world has seen a revolution in technological world when foldable phones were introduced. Chinese OEM Royal Corporation launched FlexPi in July, which is the world's first commercially available foldable phone. It is a small tablet with 7.8-inch screen that can be folded in half, which is possible because the hinges of the phone are made up of plastic. Evolution of the phone. The evolution did not come easily. It was a series of new innovation that a mobile phone underwent to come up with this latest invention in the world of phones. Phone with time has changed both in size and in form. The journey of mobile phones started with phone being really big in size, which could only be used for calling people. Then the phones came in smaller sizes with the same function. Later, later when phones where people can send messages were introduced, which were still phones with buttons. Then the variants of same category when phones now come with bigger and better screens.
Okay, so Riddhi, you tell me right now what is the some missing functionalities are there in our phone and that you need to improve in future.
Ma'am, actually, I have done case study of the variant which is already available, the foldable phones.
Okay, but in that also some limitations are there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is it?
Ma'am, the foldable phones, like the best foldable phone available right now is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and the limitation of it is that it is a very delicate piece. You cannot use it for very rough and tough purposes, and it is too much expensive. Like this phone costs more than 1 lakh rupees, and it is not quite affordable for everyone. And
Okay.
the basic function the basic functions of it can be performed in any tablet or a normal phone, but since we get better screens in this, we use it. But then the functionalities are already available in the market. There is nothing मतलब ज्यादा अलग नहीं है.
Okay, fine. Next case study.
Yes. Case study on smartwatch.
Okay.
Okay. So
What features are there?
yes, so like when the first smartphone is Seiko, and it could run few games, and like it could perform basic applications, and it could also feature wireless communication method. Then the smartwatch which came was Timax Data Link, which was capable of downloading data from computer wirelessly. And
Okay.
this was made because of reverse engineering, because a hacker named Alexander, who got inspiration from Seiko, he reverse engineered it and formed it.
Okay, fine.
And next is PDA watch, in which it is relatively a newer version of it, and it had a virtual keyboard and a touch screen with an infrared port, and also it had stylus so that we could interact with the watch more easily.
Okay.
And now the best available smartwatch is Apple Watch Series 6. It has many features, like it also has a built-in virtual assistant of Apple, which is Siri. and there are many apps which are installed in it, and it also has a pulse oxygen sensor,
Okay.
and there are
Host of
various. Sorry, ma'am.
host of this Apple Series 6.
What is I
Host.
can't post
Yes. Costing of that watch. How much you need to pay?
costing? Okay, cost. Okay, ma'am. It I don't know the exact figure, but I know it is more than 1 lakh rupees.
Okay, fine. Which
So,
tool that you prepared?
ma'am, I have not prepared the tool.
Okay.
Sagar and Forum had prepared the tool.
Okay, yeah, you are three in group. Fine. Okay,
Yes.
Riddhi, that's it for your Viva.
Okay. Thank you,
Sagar?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You prepare the case study or tools?
Both, ma'am. My case study and tools.
Okay.
But, ma'am,
Give
I'm
total
not
link
able
as well
to.
for that. Yes.
I'm not able to give a demo of tool
Yes, Sagar.
because internet is not. Ma'am, I'm not able to give tools
No
demo,
worries.
but already I. Okay, ma'am.
No,
So
no
basically,
problem. I will
this is
ask questions from that.
okay, ma'am. So basically, this is the application. This is made by me. There is a lots of thing I need to improve. So that's why I choose this case study.
Okay.
So this application nowadays, many of peoples who are interested in cryptocurrency, they investing their monies. So they that, but they don't know how to trade and how to calculate their profit and losses basis on their trading trades. So I
Mm.
decided to made this application. In older version, there is only one page. There is only one feature. They all directly just buy and selling features. But after that, I changed many things. Next slide, please. In older version, there is a only input investor who are investing in crypto. They enter their amount want to be invest, buying price of the current cryptocurrencies, and selling price they want to sell. After if sell, then what how much they profit will get. But this is just a simple application. I didn't do it this that much things. But in newer version, I changed lots of things. Next slide, please. In newer version, I changed whole design. As you can see, UI is much better now, and if user in profit, then text will be green. If user will be in losses, then text is a red color.
Okay.
Next slide, please. This is a profit. If a user want to know how much profit they want in percentage, means if market go 10% up, as he assume is market go 10%, and then how much he invest their money and how much they 10% in 10% money he will get return profit in 10%.
Is there
Next
any
slide.
fixed, basically when you go ahead with the trading, so every day prices will be changed and based on that profit will be changed. So if
Yes, ma'am.
market is going up, still if your some of the coins are not that much profitable, then how it will calculate?
No, ma'am. User just need to enter their amount, buying price of coin, and how much they want to profit. If he assume he market goes 10% up and he want to just 5% off, then he need to just buying price and percent of 5%. And if 5% he entered, then how much coin will be he need to sell. The price is also shown there.
Okay, fine, got it. Okay.
Next slide, please. Oh, this is covered. Next. Yes.
This is the coin. This page is for coin. If in trading they get coin, buying some coins like 1 Bitcoin, 3 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin. On basis one, if they after 10 months, they don't know how much the price will get from 3 Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoin. If they enter just Bitcoin amount of Bitcoin in buying price and selling price, so they know how if he also in profit or loss.
Okay, fine. Which is your next case study or tool?
Uh, Tools is on APK tool. This is a basically decompile of application, and we can see resources of the application.
Okay. So as an input, what you need to give
In where?
in APK tool?
In Epical, this is the decompiler software. We need to write command in CMD.
Okay. And what are the supportable format?
Supportable format means
Like in some of the tools, can only go ahead with the .NET. In some of the tools, you go ahead with the Python,
oh,
Java. So like supportable format is for this tool,
APK dot APK
that
applications.
is Android, right?
Yes.
What is the limitation of using this tool?
Ma'am, this tool is we cannot decompile every one single application. If there is application is protecting by their source shrinking, then application
Yeah.
we can't so see the actual Java code of application,
Okay, fine.
but we
Okay,
can see
that's it
there.
for you. Bharat.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Good. Okay, that's it for your Viva. Have a nice day. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, anyone remaining? Other students? You can leave.